This is just a quick help video for those of you who have exported a movie project and the file size is too large. As you know, this is Final Cut Pro. Usually you would click Share and Export File. Mine now defaults to H.264, which gives us a file size on this particular project of just over 3 gig. The default though is usually in ProRes, which makes the file size a lot larger, and I didn't realize this when I first started editing video. So I've clicked Next, I've exported the file, and now I'm sat with a rather large file in my documents, which is too large to upload to YouTube, too large to share with friends and family easily at least. So if I show you one particular project here, so it's a camping trip project which is over 77 gig, and there is a very easy way to compress this for free. You don't have to download any particular software on the Mac, it already comes with it, which is your iMovie. So you open up iMovie, import the particular file that is too large, which as you can see here, and we click import. Now this process can take a little while depending on the file size, so I'll come back to the video once this is done. But what you're looking for is top right, there's a circle, and once this is complete, we're ready to move to the next step. Okay, so now you can see the circle has disappeared top right, which means that the video is ready to export. So all you simply do is highlight the video, go top right, and export file. Make sure that the quality is set to high, and it shows you that the file size expected is just over 3 gigabytes, so that's what we're looking for, much smaller file. You click next and just wait for the export to happen. Once this has, the file will be ready to go, much smaller, much easier to upload and much easier to share. You do select where of course you want to save it, so I'm just going to save it where my larger file is. So click save here and the process will begin. Again, this circle appears, this will fill. Once it's full, then you know it's been done and finished correctly. I hope you found this useful. If you do have any questions, just ask them in the comments, and I help you where I can, because I know it's difficult when you start off editing and there's lots of little bits that can go wrong. So fingers crossed this helped, and thanks for watching.